This is Sunday of Battle of the Beltway, HVAC versus Legion. Starting on D. Up. Legion doing everything through their men right now. And a hand block from Tragedy Trav is called back on a foul. Up. Jeremy with the D. Yes, Travis. Pick was called, but a turn anyway. Maybe too high, but still gets there. Too far. Let's go, HVAC! Short field turnover. Legion calls ISO. And almost immediately turns it. Their round passes are just floating enough. Hammer, and it seems like there was a pick that was called, and it's gonna go back. They swing again. Jeremy bids, does not get there. This time another hammer, right in the middle of the stack. HVAC with a D. Good end zone defense. Jane busting deep. So as is Jeremy. Throw goes up to Jeremy. He gets there. Not in. To Zach.
Hey, Zach! Hey, chill. Hey! Let's go, HVAC!
And that's a break! HVAC 1-0 after a long break on the first point. Josh with the pull.
Get down there, HVAC!
Oh, you let it drop.
Hey, Eric.
What's up?
All under Jane! Up.
Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Hiya, Josh. I want to call up inside. Good thing Josh's lefty backhand is filthy. Ooh. Legion with another almost overthrown around.
Oh,
And
Case with the big D.
in the immediate center, hell yeah, Case.
Case with the
Case bombs. And does he keep it in?
scores.
And keeps it in. That's a break. Jason with the goal.
Oh, Coleman with the D. Just kidding. It was a really bad throw, but we'll give it to him. Oh, baby. Nope. Marcus on the under. To Travis, who skies for the goal. Let's go, HVAC. That's a third break. 3-0. HVAC pulling. They don't center. Oh, they do center. They huck immediately to a super long ball. What the was that? Zach picks up. Gets a stall 9 to Jason, to Case, to Zach, to Jason, to Case, who sizes it up and takes a rip. Too far for Jane. Turn HVAC. Legion walking the disc up. Jeremy on the mark. Jeremy with a big mark. Big mark. Oh, that's a huge rip, but she's not reading the disc very well, so. So far, their hucking has been very poor. Oh, Zach. To Christine. To Jason. To Jane. To Jeremy. To Christine. To Jeremy. Low throw to Jane, but she digs it out of the ground. Puts it to Case. Who scoobers it for a goal. That's another break. Let's go, HVAC. Josh, Coleman, Fat, Brendan, Nicole, Joe, and Ravi on the line. Another D point for HVAC. Josh with the pull. It's high and there, and it's in. And they field this pull. Impressive, they caught it. First time catching the pull. Good stuff. Ravi's. They're good. Yeah. Bumping the disc. They're deciding to work the disc this time. Probably a smart idea, but we'll see. Center around Coleman. Ooh, Coleman with a big mark, but ooh, spicy throw. And a feathery touch shot. And Legion scores. Good stuff, I guess. We have Krista, Josh, Brendan, Nicole, Jeremy, and Case. Pulls out of bounds. Josh will take the disc at the brick. Ballers. Feathery flick to Case, who's got a wide open Jane on the under. To Case. Ooh. He's looking for Nicole. Ooh, gets a sneaky shot up one. To Josh, bumps to Case. Finds Brendan, who throws a goal, but there's a pick, so no goal. Ooh, who throws the same throw, says no mercy, and throws the exact same throw. We have a Wild Debbie on her way to come man the camera as she meanders over. Injury reserves, baby.
Press record.
Press record. Travis with the pole.
Travis with the nice ass pull.
Are they gonna catch it? Nope. Coleman on the mark.
Coleman inside, Joe, you got her. Inside, Joe, inside.
Under. Oh, there's a hook.
Up,
Yo,
Travis,
Travis is gonna eat this guy's lunch right here. Nope.
That was a good hook, bro. Oh, please be out. That was it.
They scored. We'll give him that.
We'll give him that, yeah. The score is...
We got Nicole, Krista, Christine, Josh, Obi. Josh picks it up. We also have Josh, Jane, and Ravi. Jeremy as well. I believe that is 7 people. We're gonna walk it up to the brick. He breaks to Jane. He gets it to Ravi. Gets it to Josh. To Krista. Who bumps to Ravi. Who shoots to Jeremy for a goal. That's easy. They can't even cover the hooks.
HVAC on D. The score is now 6-2. Travis just pulled. Huck. No one was there. Okay, D by Legion. Huck. They scored. Score is now 6-3. Okay, Legion with the pull. We're on O. Score is 6-3. Yes, Case.
Case to Jane. Easy money. Jane's got this. Let's go.
Fucking Jade. She got a deep cut. Score is now 7-3.
Obviously, it was just they're jockeying for position. Oh, dude, that's a fucking pull.
That's an amazing pull. Who threw that?
Travis.
Travis pulled, and we're on D. Score is 7-3.
And that's a very interesting hook. Zach's gonna eat this shit.
Come on, Zach, and it's out. Or no, it's in.
That's a tough.
Okay, Legion
That's
scored.
Tough, that's tough. That's okay.
Score is 7-4.
Legion with the pull. Going down.
It's in, Josh. It's in.
To Marcus. to Case.
No. All right.
To Krista, who will eat this person's. Oh.
Too deep. Too deep. Let's go, HVAC. Get it back.
Yeah, that's okay. Oof.
Stay in your left. Stay in your left.
Legion high, swingy. And they turn the swing. Dumpster. Ooh, he's calling a foul. Maybe? Nope, no foul. Case with the up line for the easy hold. And that's half. Let's go. 8-3, 8-4, something like that. Pulls up. Centers to Christine. Oh, who? Case. Puts it to Jeremy. Puts it to Jane, who bumps it to Case. He's got Josh with steps, but floats it. And incomplete. We're okay. Looking. Who finds? Tailing. Ooh, you got it, you got it.
Good job, Alexis. Come on, play these. Watch.
Hey Case, do something cool. Number 99, Swag walking the disc up to the front of the end zone. Swag. Finish Josh. Big hits Christine. Ooh. It's a wide miss to Brendan. That's okay. Oof, and they throw a low throw, incomplete. HVAC gets another shot. Case to pick up. It's Josh. Good fucking throw. Ooh, head Case, but that's okay. Looking on the inside for Jeremy. Hey, that's okay. It's a score Legion. Score is 8-5, I believe.
Because what they're doing, the guys on our resets are poaching off, and then they choke up the higher the ball. Well done, Jake. What's on? Do the
Oh, Legion with the pull. Ooh, that's a flick pull. The rare. To Ravi. He's got Jane. Jane training. He's got Krista. He's got Case. He's got. has got not great. That's okay. They called a pick, and they called their own pick and fucked themselves over. So would have been a goal if they didn't call a pick. Damn. It's okay. It's a break. 8-6. HVAC's up. That's okay. Let's go.
Legion has broken us twice in a row. O-line coming back out. Time! Here in case, tighten up. That's another break for Legion.
After a funky turn of events in which we missed, HVAC holds, making it 9-7. HVAC on defense with Travis DePaul, Nicole, Krista, Coleman, Joe, Jason, and Josh. They're down on the pole, they swing it to the sideline. Goal line out there. Another flick pull. Jeremy, who's got trainer steps, who has the disc, puts it to Nicole, who's not in apparently. And it's a goal. Teammate supersedes his own teammate. Back on defense, we got Jason, Krista, Travis, Jane, Fat, Nicole, Coleman. Getting down there on the pole. Ooh, Travis. Pick was called, Krista catches up, they keep the disc where it's at. Down. Caught the disc on the ground. I missed that, but he tried the greatest and was not successful. My camera work is terrible. But HVAC gets the turn. And let's ball. To Jane. He sees Fat. He's got Nicole. He's got Krista. He's got Coleman. He's got Jason. Who gets the layout blocked by a regen. Timeout called. Coming out of the timeout, HVAC on D. Goal line stand. 4th and goal, baby. Here comes the stop. HVAC receiving. Polo B. Josh to center. Josh to Ravi. It's Nicole. We've got Josh. He's got Jeremy for the goal. Let's go. Josh shoots to Jeremy. Sorry, I was watching Josh throw. It was pretty. Hell yeah, let's fucking... That's a pull! They don't want to catch that because they are scared of catching bladey pulls. They center. Ooh. Travis forces a tight throw. They're hucking it. Jeremy's gonna eat this. Ooh, good grab. Hey, good grab. D point with Travis, Coleman, Nicole, Joe, Krista, Jane, and Zach. Big pull coming up from Travis. Blade, they let it drop, and they're going to center. So they're female. Gets an under, that's okay. He's got nothing, he's gonna reset it. He's looking to go. Foul called, no contest. Pick called, he still throws it anyway. Pick from way downtown. Oh, that would have been rough, Jade, just to watch him just throw it away. I don't know why there's 5 people dogpiling it. No one. But he gets the D, so it's a win, I guess. Win and a loss. Travis to pick up. Oh, with a huge layout to save possession. Finds Zach. Who finds Travis somehow past the bidding defender. Let's go. HVAC breaks. 13-10. HVAC pole. Is he gonna catch this one? Maybe. Nope. Lets it hit the ground. Coleman with the peel off the back of the stack D. Jane, who finds Coleman, finds Case. Hey, right back, Josh. No big deal. Turnover HVAC. Back on D.
Hey, take lane. Oh, no, you're good, you're good. Justin's boat! Justin's boat!
Go flat, yo. Like when they're streaking. Go flat.
Yes. Okay. We just scored. The score is 14-12. Game point.
14-11. Break to win. We have on the line is Coleman, Travis, Jeremy, Krista, Jane, Nicole, and Case. Victoria. Hey, they turn it on a Huck to their ladies. Little did you know. A hold here would win. Travis to pick up. Spicy. Center to Nicole, to Krista. Oh, out to Case. Who handblock? Why? Why would you? Why? Why? Travis at the turn. They turf with swing. Let's go. Second chance. And Jeremy scores. Feels bad.